The covered passage of Paris are an early form of shopping arcade built in Paris, France primarily during the first half of the 19th century. By the 1850s there were approximately 150 covered passages in Paris, but this decreased greatly as a result of Haussmann's renovation of Paris. Only a couple of dozen passages remain in the 21st century, all on the right bank. The common characteristics of the covered passages are that they are pedestrianised, glass ceilings, artificially illuminated at night, privately owned, highly ornamented and decorated, lined with small shops on the ground floor, connecting two streets. Originally, to keep the passages clean, each would have an artiste de décrottage at the entrance to clean the shoes of visitors. The passages were the subject of Walter Benjamin's incomplete magnum opus Passagenwerk, which was posthumously published.